Alright, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing an in focus, and today we're going to be looking at the all-new SurRon Ultra B electric dirt bike. This is the brand new mid-sized electric dirt bike from SurRon that sits perfectly in between the Light B and the Storm B. So if the Light B seemed like it was a little bit small for you, but the Storm was maybe a bit too big, then the Ultra could be the perfect bike that you've been looking for. Now, to kick things off, the Ultra B is powered by a 12.5 kilowatt motor, which outputs 440 Newton meters of power and can achieve a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour. And this powerful electric motor uses a belt and chain transmission to send all the power to the rear wheel. And with that sort of power, that means the SurRon Ultra B can climb hills up to an 80% incline. Now, the Ultra B's battery is a 74 volt, 55 amp hour, removable and swappable battery, which can deliver up to 140 kilometers of maximum factory tested range. And this range was tested with a constant cruising speed of 40 kilometers per hour. Now, this massive battery charges in only 4 hours, and that's thanks to the included fast charger that comes with every SurRon Ultra B. Another really cool feature of the Ultra B is under the seat here, you've got a storage cavity, and that allows you to store your battery underneath the seat so that you make sure you've got it wherever you go. Now, I'll quickly show you how you get in there. First of all, we'll remove the key. Goes down here, turn, push down on the seat a little bit, pull it back, and then under here, you'll find handy storage for your fast charger. The SurRon Ultra B features 3 ride modes. You've got Eco, Daily, and Sports mode. And then there's also a really handy reverse mode as well to help you maneuver the bike around. Now, in addition to that, this bike also features a traction control system, and this can be turned on or off at the flick of a switch. Now, the stopping power for your SurRon Ultra B is delivered by a 4-piston bilateral hydraulic disc brake system, and this also has fully adjustable electric regenerative braking strength. When it comes to suspension, this bike has KKE forks in the front as well as a KKE shock in the rear. Both the front and the rear feature 240 millimeters of travel. Now, in the front and the rear, the wheel sizes are both 19s, but your rear wheel is slightly wider, so that also allows it to run a chunkier tire on the back wheel. But we've also got various sizes of upgrade aftermarket wheel sets coming for the Ultra B, so keep your eyes peeled for those. Now, for the dimensions of the Ultra B, we've got 2010 millimeters long, we've got 1178 high, as well as 880 wide. And the seat height is 910 millimeters tall. Now, our current stock that we have of the Ultra B bikes is what's classed as the T model. These ones will come with indicators, number plate mount, as well as mirrors, but these are all easily removed in a matter of minutes to have a true MX setup. Now, the T version of the Ultra B is not a road legal bike, but the ADR compliant road registerable versions will be arriving late 2023 or early 2024. All right, so that wraps up our in-focus look at the all-new SurRon Ultra B electric dirt bike. If you've got any questions, you can hit us up in the comments of the video, or if you want to just look at more information about the bike, we'll have it linked in the description. But that's it for today, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.